every syllabus will be completed. Tomorrow, from tomorrow onwards, you have to means we will do the revision. Okay, Ridhima, your phone is just means this is you have just placed your phone wrong. Okay, means place it nicely. No hand raise. I will not answer anything because if I'm going to answer it, the entire classes it takes generally. Okay. So here what I will do, I will just share all the answers of the next pages onwards. Okay. So please open your first digit book. Please open your first digit book. Please open your first digit book. All the activity you all have done. One activity I have posted. Please open your first digit book. Okay. So I'm sharing the screen. If anyone is facing network issue, serious network issue, they can just stop their video. But yes, Rashmir, what happened? Unmute yourself.
Ma'am, which book, Count on Tips or Mental Math?
Mental maths book. Count on tips book is done completely.
Okay, ma'am. Thank you.
So here I am sharing the screen. So this page, if it is done, it is completed. Rajveer, first say me this page is completed yesterday. Unmute yourself and say me.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So from the next page we will do this page. You just solve. This is simple addition. Answers are there in your school app. So from there you can just check it out. Okay. Yes, Dipal, what happened? Dipal, what happened? Page 18 and 19. How?
Ma'am, write in book.
Yes, write in book. Mental maths, write in book.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. Try to solve these page 18 and page 19 by your own. I will show the answers a little later. Okay. If it is done, it's okay, fine. You just sit for a while and when I will show the answer, that time you will just check. Yes, Saman, I know that you are done. Back at your home, all of you already done. But this is my duty to solve this for you. So I will do this in the class. Yes, Adrita, what happened? Any problem you are having? Unmute.
ম্যাম এটা আমার হয়ে গেছিল কমপ্লিট।
Just try to say in English, okay? Don't speak Bengali too much, okay? Okay. If it is done to all of you, it's okay, fine. So I am going to the it's okay, I am just doing, you all just see that answers you all have done correct or wrong, okay? So by black I am writing. You just check, cross check. So whenever carry on sum will be there, you will just write the carry on the left, means left side of the particular column, and just you will just put a circle like this, okay? So that you will understand that this is carry on and you have to add. So this is the answer, okay? So cross check it. If it is done, cross check it. This is 399. This answer will be 3999, okay? Here I can't write properly, that is why I have written a little below. Yeah, just complete it. I will give more 1 to 2 3 minutes. Afterwards I will go to the next page. Afterwards I will go to the next page, okay? Okay, 10. I want 15 hands at least. If 15 students has done, then only I will go to the next page. 13 students has raised hand. I want 15 hands. Okay, 17 students has raised hand. Very good, all of you. So I am clearing all the drawings. Okay. So going to the next question. Just wait a while. Yeah, Asraful, I can see. It's good, very good. Yeah, I hope that all of you can see. This page. Okay, so this page is all the sums almost I will just explain. Okay, so I am writing by giving the number 1 2 1 2 is not there. So suppose this is 1, this is 2, like this I have counted and I'm just doing the sums because I need to show few things over here. So first sum is here, what is written, that 4 tens plus 9 ones. Okay, 9 ones. Okay, before proceeding to this, here this sum is not required. Okay, this sum this sum is not required, and after that page 20 whatever is there, page 20 is not required. Okay, so only up to this you have to just solve. Only up to this you have to solve. So 4 tens plus 9 ones, that means what, how you will do 4 into tens plus 9 into 1. Okay, afterwards you know that this is the expanded form, so 440 plus 9. Okay, so I hope that you all are understanding. Like this way we will solve the sum. Okay, yes Dipal, any question is there?
No, ma'am.
Okay. Adrita, any question is there?
No, ma'am.
Okay, thank you. So everyone please lower your hand, because after this page completions again I will ask in between that any question is there, so that I can understand that you are having questions. Otherwise I am getting confused. Okay, so question number 2 is 40 tens and 300s. Okay, so a little bit different sum. 40 tens means what? We will do the same. Whenever this kind of words, 40 tens and hundreds, these things will be there. 40 into 10 plus 3 into 100, like this you have to do. Okay, whenever tens and ones, this kind of words and phrases will be there in your book, that time you have to just what can I say, you have to just do the multiplication. Okay, so 440 10 means 400, you know, and 300 means 300 means 300. Now it is coming and 700. Now this is mental maths. So in the exam, this you don't have to just do much, you just have to just write the answer. Okay, you have to write the answers, or you have to just choose the correct option. Next is find the sum of 505 and 50. Three sum I'm doing. 505 and 50. It's very easy. Okay, so the sum will be 555. Okay, so the sum will be 555. After that 4, what is there? 4 is given that 52 plus 5 tens, 5 tens plus 6, like this we have to do. That means what we can do, just 52 plus 5 tens means 5 into 10 plus 6. Okay, so that means here 52 plus 50 plus 6. Okay, so I'm doing in on my right hand side. I'm doing on my right hand side. So 52 plus 56. Okay, so that means here you have to, you can see that 108 will be the answer. That means here 108 will be the answer. Next is pretty much easier addition. All the sums or a few more, next two sums you just add and just write the answer. Next is two sums, you just add and write the answer. So answers I'm writing. This is 5. Okay, 758. These are pretty much the answers you have to just do. Okay, now coming to the next sum, I think 4, 5, 6. This is the 7 sum. Okay, 7 sum I'm showing. Show it very, very nicely. Okay, so it is given like 59 plus 56, and here it is given like 50. Here it is given like 50 plus one gap is there. Afterwards, again one gap is there plus 6, and here O2 gap is there, and here in the answer position also one gap is there. Now you have to just fill those gaps. Okay, now 59, how we can write 50 plus 9, right? 56, how we can write 50 plus 6. So in the gap you have to write 9 and 50 on the first line, right? Afterwards, what you can just do here, the rules is we will just add this nicely. Why we have add this nicely? Because 50 plus 50 is 100. By mentally we can just do. We don't have to count it. Means we have to don't do the counting by the fingers like the way we used to do the counting. Okay, and 9 and 16 also 15. Okay, so here the answer will be 115. 115. Okay, so this is actually the example. This example actually came from the breaking the numbers and just additions. Okay, next is 64. Next sum also I am doing. 64 plus 110 plus 3 tens and plus 4. So 64 plus 10 plus 30 plus 4. Okay, so here 74, 78. Just do the additions. It will come as 108. This sum is 50, sorry, 9, 50 plus 6, 100 plus 15 and 115. Afterwards, this is this 9 number sum I'm doing here. Okay, 9 number sum I'm doing here. 9 number sum, you all can see that what is said here. 49 plus 3 tens plus 7. So 49 plus 3 tens means 30 and 7. Here how we will do 49 plus 30 plus 7. Okay, That means 49 plus 37. That means the answer will come as 86. Okay, so 86. Up to this, I hope that everything is clear to all of you. Up to this, I hope that everything is clear to all of you. This picture is already posted, okay? So you can just go to your maths folder and you will find out what is given there. So rest of the students who are not raising the hand, please just raise the hand. Rest of the student who has not raised the hand, please raise the hand if you're completed. Okay, otherwise I will not be able to understand. Next to sums is the story sums. You have to write it in the copy. Next to sums are the story sums. You have to write like the way we have done previously, all the addition and subtractions. Okay, these are both the sums are on additions only because this chapter is on addition. Okay, so you can do and you can just tell me the answers. Okay, 19 participants raise the hand. Okay, it's good. But yeah, just next to some you try to solve, and from your school app you will get the answer from there. Okay. And next page also you don't have to complete. Okay, next page there's the sums are little difficult, so you don't have to do that sum also. You just complete up to this. See that if any questions are there, you can just ask. And here in between two few questions I have left, like page 14 and page 15. I told you to do, and yesterday I gave one activity also. I hope that you all have done and submitted also. Still, I am seeing that you are not submitting your homeworks regularly. Okay, so I'm stopping this share. Please just, I am just lowering all of your hands. Okay, for a while. You just see your syllabus. Yes, Abnur, what happened?
Ma'am, write in copy.
Yes, next 19 and 20 write in copy.
Okay, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. Amina,
Ma'am,
clarify one thing. 20, whichever sums are there, I am just removing it from the syllabus. Okay. Page 20 তে যেটা wait এক মিনিট wait করো। জাস্ট পেজ 20 তে আমি যে সিলেবাসটা দিয়েছি ওটা তোমাদের পরীক্ষায় আমি নেব না, ঠিক আছে, বা কোনো অঙ্ক আমি দেবও না। हम जो पेज 20 में जो भी है मेंटल मैथ्स का बुक में फर्स्ट डिजिट का बुक में वो हम जस्ट कट कर रहे हैं, उधर से कोई क्वेश्चंस नहीं आएगा। ओके, so page 20 we will not solve. Officially we have completed the syllabus over here. Everyone just complete. Yes, Rita Prabhu, what?
write in copy.
Yes, next two sums you write in copy, Nebas 22 boys and this sums. And all these answers are posted in the first digit